Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I am a huge fan of the whimsical. So when I saw these snail soap dispensers by TabEnter, I just knew I had to have them in my life. I got the 3 pack, so I got 3 colors, black, white, and brown. Kept the black and white for myself and gifted the brown to a friend. And I am so in love with these. Look how cute they are, and they're still sleek looking. So even if you're into the real funky like I am, you can still keep it nice and posh and clean looking. The shell lifts off of the body, and this is where the soap dispenser is. So you just fill this area, put the shell back on, and when you press down, the soap comes out of the mouth. So it looks like it's sliming you. So if you think you need just a little bit more fun in your life, or maybe you have a friend or loved one that you know would love these, then I say check them out. And that's my point of view.